Hello and good morning everyone, it's Ik here. What if I tell you guys that now all of us can afford to purchase the JDM Honda Type R car with a very low price? But before I go to that part, first I need to remind you guys that we at the Honda guys going to give away the Samsung Watch 4 when we reach the 1000 subscribers. To be eligible to join this contest, first you need to subscribe to our channel and then comment #THG giveaway for a chance to be the lucky winner for the Samsung Watch 4. So please spread the word out to your friends and family so everybody can join the contest too. Okay, now let's go to the important part, how you guys can purchase the JDM Type R at very low price. Actually, I got a call from our long-time sponsor, Ban Leheng Motors Sdn Bhd, and one of the person in charge asked me to be at their showroom in Seremban, and he said that he got something very special for me to review. As I arrived here, I just got to know that they want me to reveal the secret of how we can buy and own the JDM Type R car at a very low price. Okay, here we are revealing the secret in this box. Let me open this first. Okay, the secret number one that I want to reveal is this. The Hong Kong edition Honda Civic Type R EK9 by Tarmac. Alright, let me clarify this. Actually, I also can afford to own the real JDM Type R model. First, the price is out of my reach. For the EK9, the price now are tagged around 200 to 300,000 ringgit. And second, if I able to afford that much of money, I need to fork out that sum of money in cash. So, the easier and the cheapest way to own one is by purchasing this die-cast model, which is around 45 ringgit to 120 ringgit only. That's quite a reasonable price if you ask me. Okay, back to the Tarmac die-cast. Similar with the other Tarmac TLVN model, it comes with a normal box. And it is stated here that this is the Hong Kong edition Honda Civic Type R. And it comes in two color finishing, the white and the yellow. If you guys can see, the detail that the car produces is quite impressive. The headlamp are finished in acrylic similar to the tail lamp. The sport rim detail also quite nice, and the design is similar to the real one, and it is wrapped with a rubber tire. The side mirror and the spoiler on the other hand are finished in metal. And mind you that this is the Hong Kong edition, where the front boot are finished with carbon fiber pattern. And also, as with the other Tarmac, this model also comes with the suspension if you press this. Okay, moving on with our next model, Tarmac Works Collection, where we have the Honda Civic Type R FK2. Compared to the Tarmac diecast, Tarmac diecast come with this acrylic gear case, which you guys can open. If you guys can see, the side mirror come with a silver finishing inside to mimic the mirror effect. The spoiler are finished in plastic, which for me is quite fragile, and it is just a small slot here that maintain the spoiler in place. The wheels that attract me a lot, as if you guys can see inside the wheels are the brake discs together with the red color caliper. The wheels are also wrapped in a rubber tire. Mind you that the wheels are not really smooth in motion because of the disc brake that they put inside here. Okay, next is this 2-unit Honda Civic Type R EK9, which is the winner for the Super Taikyu 1998 ST4 Champion and the Super Taikyu 2000 Class 4 Champion. Super Taikyu or Super Endurance is a racing series competition that happened in Japan, which is joined by the professional and amateur racer. And mind you that this 2-unit is a limited edition series by Tarmac Works. They both come with a certificate that stated the model name together with their respective driver as well as the vehicle chassis number. This diecast mimic the real counterpart with the white sport wheels, which is also wrapped with rubber tire. If you guys take a look closely inside, you guys can see the full bucket seat with the roll cage as well. And if you guys compare the Tarmac work EK9 with the Tomitech EK9, you can see that the Tomitech version is the pre-facelift model with the yellow indicator at the tail lamp and minus the extra A intake on the front bumper. Before we proceed with the next car model, please remember to subscribe to this channel for you guys to be eligible for the giveaway contest when we reach 1000 subs. The Samsung Watch 4 will be given away to our lucky subscribers, but to win this, you need to comment hashtag THG giveaway to join the contest. Moving on with our next diecast model is this Hobby Japan Mugen Civic Type R. Mind you that this is a product by Mugen which feature the all-round body kit with a GT-like rear wing as well as the Mugen GP wheel finished in bronze color and wrapped with rubber tires similar to the other counterpart. If you look inside of the car, this Civic FD2 also feature the Mugen full bucket seat which in real life will cost you around 7,000 ringgit per side, and similar to the other diecast, the headlamp and the tail lamp for this model are made from acrylic. Another FD2R for me to review is this Honda Civic Mugen RR by Tarmac Works. As written on the base plate, it is stated that this is Hong Kong exclusive model which is limited to 1968 pieces only. This Honda Civic Mugen RR is limited to 300 unit only in real life, and it is super rare. You might surprise to see the current price which someone tagged at 500,000 ringgit. And if you compare the two Civic FD, I prefer the one from Hobby Japan which is in yellow color, which for me looks more real to my eye and much more detailed. The Mugen RR front headlamp and rear lamp looks a little bit messy here, but overall I like the car details and finishing. Next is this 2-unit Honda Civic Ef9 which is produced between 1987 until 1991. Let's see the red color first. This is how the original car looks like without any extra accessories on the outside of the car. While for the black color one, as you guys can see, the wheels are custom in white. I like the look on the rear side as it looked very detailed to me. It's kinda like bringing back a memory seeing a lot of this hatchback Civic in the 90s. And for the last one is a model made by Ignition model which is quite expensive to own. The retail price for this model is around 1,600 ringgit and upward. This is the Honda Civic Type R FK8 finished with PDRM livery. The base plate comes with a metal tag which look nice and exclusive. This model is different from the other brand that we've seen just now because the detail that this model produced is quite impressive. The front headlamp looks real with this alien style headlamp, and if you look closely, there is a pair of strobe light at the side of the registration number plate. The number plate on the other hand mimic the real unit that being used by PDRM to lead the VIP convoy for our young di Pertuan Agong. Look at the front disc brake. The slotted disc looks like the original version, complete with the red caliper. If you guys can look closely inside, the red bucket seat is also featured here. And the details on the dashboard looks very similar to the real one, complete with the silver Type R gear knob. At the back of the car, the model also comes with 3 exhaust tips, and the rear wing are made from plastic. So there you go guys, a quick review for this cute little diecast. The detail they produce are quite impressive, and do take note that some of these diecast car in this video are handcrafted by their manufacturer. So if you guys would like to get your hand on all these diecast model, please click the link in the description below to go to Ban Leheng Motor official Shopee and Lazada store. Besides diecast, for a Honda car owner, you guys also can purchase your car essential item like the engine oil, the oil filter or brake pad, or maybe the car body part itself. So go ahead and click the link to see what they got to offer. That's it guys, a quick review for this beautiful diecast. They are super detailed and I believe the price is reasonable for you to own one. If the price for the real one is out of your reach, then this is the easier solution. Also, thank you to our long-time sponsor Honda Malihan Motors Sdn Bhd for making this video possible. Remember to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell button. And don't forget to comment #THG giveaway and be a lucky winner for the Samsung Watch 4 when we reach 1000 subscribers. Only subscribers are eligible to enter this lucky draw. So spread the word out and ask your friend and family to subscribe to this channel as well. I'm Ik signing off for this week video. We are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. See you guys. Bye.